What if I told you there's a secret website that's paying people just to share links without needing to sell anything? No complicated funnels, no website needed, no upfront costs. It's so easy that even beginners can make $50 to $200 plus per day just by following a few simple steps. And the best part, most people don't even know about this yet. So stick with me, okay? Because I'm about to break it all down step by step. But first, let me show you some proof. Take a look at this. These commissions came in just by sharing a link in the right way. No selling, no inventory, just a simple free strategy anyone can do. Now, before I reveal the exact website and strategy, let me ask you, have you ever heard of brands paying people just for bringing in potential buyers? Well, this is called pay-per-lead affiliate marketing, okay? And it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. You don't need to convince people to buy anything, just get them interested enough to click, okay? And when they do, you are in. Now, let me introduce you to the platform that makes this ridiculously simple. But before we proceed, I'm Christine. And thank you so much for being here with us. If you haven't already, we'd love for you to become part of our community by subscribing and liking this video, okay? By doing so, YouTube will notify you whenever I post new content, and we truly appreciate your support. All right, the website we'll be using is Temu. And of course, Temu is that online shopping giant shaking the e-commerce space. But what most people don't know is that Temu will actually pay you just for referring new users, okay? And here's how it works. First thing first, all you have to do is sign up for Temu's affiliate program. You don't need to wait to get approved into the program, okay? And I'll show you how in a second. The next you want to do is to get your unique affiliate link. And when you do, the last step, you just have to share it in the right way to drive traffic and get paid. Sounds simple, right? But here's the real game changer. How you promote it matters. And here's where most beginners mess things up. If all you do is drop your affiliate link randomly, you're going to get 0 clicks. And that means 0 earnings, okay? Obviously, not the best strategy, right? So allow me to show you the exact method that gets thousands of persons clicking your affiliate link and, more importantly, putting money in your pocket, okay? This is an underground strategy I'm about to reveal to you, so I need you to act fast on it. But before we jump into that, make sure you sign up for the Temu affiliate program. I'll drop the link in the description so you can sign up easily, okay? When you go to the site, you'll see a section right here. It says, Earn commissions with Temu affiliate and influencer. And just below that, it mentions, it says, Earn big by promoting Temu with 5 to 20% commissions and bonuses. Not too bad, right? So you would be making anywhere from 5% to 20% on each sale. What's even better is the secondary commission program. This means you can earn commissions not just on the sales you generate, but also on the sales made by affiliates you refer to the program. So you've got a chance to earn even more by simply building your affiliate network. This is a solid program to get started with, trust me. So go ahead and click on the join button to get started, okay? You'll need to enter your email or phone number to sign up, and once you're in, you'll be able to start promoting any product using your affiliate link, and that's where the money starts rolling in. Now here's where you really need to focus, because this is where most people get it wrong. You've got your affiliate link, right? But the real trick is in how you use it. So forget about spamming Facebook groups or begging people to sign up. That's a surefire way to fail, okay? Now, instead of begging and spamming people's lives, we are going to be strategic about it. It's a simple but powerful platform to connect with millions of users actively looking for deals and side hustles. So we will be leveraging X to drive free traffic and start making money, even without having a large following, okay? And this is exactly how you'll be making money off the platform using this same roadmap. First things first, you need to set up your account. It doesn't need to be your personal profile. Plus, the account should be 100% dedicated to helping people find amazing online deals and ways to save money. You want to position yourself as a trusted source in the world of discounts and savings, okay? So when creating your bio, keep it short and to the point, but make sure it communicates value right away. For example, your bio could sound like this: helping people find the best online deals and ways to save money. DM for discounts. Pretty straightforward, right? This instantly shows your audience what you're all about, helping them save money and find incredible deals, right? Now with ease, people will follow you because they'll know exactly what to expect from your content. And that's exactly what this guy did. Just by looking at the name and bio, you immediately know what the page is all about, right? So once you've set everything up, you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now it's time to start browsing through Temu's marketplace. You'll want to begin looking for products that are trending or that have already gone viral, okay? And remember, Temu is all about limited time offers and flash sales. So there's always something that's a hot deal. Right now, what's trending on Temu is the Easter hot sales. This is part of their marketing strategy, and you always want to pay attention to new seasonal deals. There are plenty of items to promote here, and I don't advise you to niche down too much. The idea is to sell flashy items that grab attention, okay? And as an affiliate marketer, before promoting any offer, you need to check the product reviews and feel confident in what you're promoting. For example, this 3-piece professional men's hair and beard kit is a great deal, okay? And it's even part of the Easter sales with over 44,000 items sold. Now, once you've decided on the affiliate product to promote, it's time to share it with your audience. You need to craft a tweet that highlights the deal and encourages people to act fast before it's gone. This is where you use the urgency strategy, okay? Here's an example of what you could tweet. Let's say you're promoting a kitchen gadget, right? You'd want to say something like, "This viral kitchen gadget is 75% off today on Temu. Grab yours before the deal expires." Then paste your affiliate link, okay? Make sure to always include your affiliate link so people can easily access the offer, all right? The urgency and excitement in your tweets is what will drive engagement and clicks. And what makes X, formerly Twitter, great for affiliate marketing is the fact that you can post your affiliate links directly in the post, so you don't have to always direct people to your bio. People are more likely to click on a link that's right in the content of the post itself. I hope you get the idea. Now I'm going to leave a Google Drive link in the description box below. This link contains everything you need: the prompts to craft your promotions, already crafted promotional tweets, and content strategies that work on X. The idea is not to copy the tweets word for word, but to use them as inspiration and tweak them to fit your style and audience, okay? Now, this strategy works not only for Temu affiliate marketing, but also for Amazon affiliate marketing and any e-commerce product you're promoting. The goal is to make your X page a hub for finding trending deals and discounted items. Now, engagement is key, okay? So don't just post and hope for the best. Get involved in the conversations happening around online shopping, discounts, money-saving tips, or even random social media gossip, anything that's relevant. You don't have to stick to just one niche, okay? And with X, you have a huge advantage. X has a fair algorithm that gives visibility to content, even if you don't have a huge following. So you don't need a large audience to get noticed, okay? All you need to do is use viral hashtags and relevant hashtags. A simple way to find these is by clicking on the Explore button on the app to see what's trending. From there, you can pick up on the hashtags that are getting attention and use them to your advantage. Now, when you find related tweets or any hot thread, don't just scroll past. Reply with something that adds even more value, okay? For example, to engage in a thread, you could say something like, "Hey, if you love saving money, you need to check out this insane deal on Temu. You can even get freebies just by signing up." Then you insert your affiliate link. And when they click on the link and make any purchase, you will be getting some commission, which varies from 5 to 20%. And that's it. This is a much more effective way to catch people's attention, okay? And did I mention in the file I shared earlier, I've also included prompts that will help you generate similar transactional tweets and more ideas. It's all there for you to explore, okay? Now, here's something cool I did with ChatGPT 4.0. You've got to be strategic. Know your target audience. Are they local or international? You want to sound in a way that resonates with them. For example, take a look at this prompt I gave ChatGPT. Great. But can you write in a way a typical Indian person will write? I want it more related to my Indian audience.
अरे यार, अगर आपको भी अच्छे डील्स चाहिए तो ये तेमू का ऑफर देखना मत भूलना। और सबसे अच्छी बात, साइनिंग अप पर आपको फ्री गिफ्ट्स भी मिल रहे हैं। जल्दी करो, मत छोड़ो।
The response was incredible. ChatGPT wrote in expressions that are commonly used by Indians. It's much more relatable, and that's the idea. So if you're Indian, drop a comment and let me know what you think about this approach. Now, let's talk about crafting a relatable promotional tweet for my Nigerian audience. Here's what I got.
Omo, if you dey look for better deals, you no fit miss this one from Temu. Plus, you fit get free gifts just for signing up. No dull yourself ho. Rush am now.
That's Nigerian social media language for you. If you're Nigerian and watching this, drop a comment in that same style. Now, did you see how powerful this is? AI is not playing around. All these prompts are in the file, so you'll have everything you need. And a quicker way to boost your sales with Temu products or any other affiliate product once you've crafted your post and included your link, start sending it to your WhatsApp contacts right away. And watch how your friends will click on the link just to claim the discount. And this is how you will be making money online. Remember, this strategy isn't exclusive to Temu. You can start with any e-commerce platform in your country that offers an affiliate marketing program, okay? So the essence of this video is to get you started with making money doing affiliate marketing. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple and follow the strategy, okay? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. You never know, you might just help someone get started with affiliate marketing too. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.